In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable double opt-in on Beehiiv. Double opt-in is an important setting for any newsletter or email publication because it helps you keep your list clean and engaged. With double opt-in turned on, new subscribers have to confirm their email address before they are fully added to your list. This reduces fake signups, protects your sender reputation, and makes sure you're emailing people who really want to hear from you. Let's walk through how to turn this on inside your Beehiiv account. First, open your browser and go to your Beehiiv dashboard. If you're not already signed in, log in with your usual account details. Once you're in, you should see your main dashboard, where Beehiiv shows an overview of your publication, your subscribers, and your recent performance. Take a moment to make sure you're in the correct workspace or publication if you manage more than one. Next, look for the settings option in the left-hand sidebar. It's usually located towards the bottom of the navigation menu. Go ahead and click on Settings. This is where you control most of the behind-the-scenes configuration for your publication, including things like branding, domains, and email preferences. Once the settings page loads, you'll see several tabs or sections. Find the one labeled Emails and click on it. The email section is specifically dedicated to how your messages are sent and how subscribers interact with them. This is where Beehiiv keeps options related to deliverability, confirmations, and similar features. On the emails page, scroll all the way down to the bottom. Don't worry if you see a lot of options on the way down. We're only focusing on one setting in this video. As you reach the bottom, look for the option called Double Opt-in. It should have a toggle switch next to it. To enable double opt-in, simply click that toggle so it switches to the on position. Once it's turned on, Beehiiv will start requiring new subscribers to confirm their email address via a confirmation message before they're officially added to your list. This change usually takes effect immediately, but it's a good idea to do a quick test by subscribing with a different email address to see exactly what your subscribers experience. And that's all you need to do. You've successfully enabled double opt-in on Beehiiv,